Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today I'll be making Salmon Kabayaki bowl. So let's start cooking. We'll pan fry the salmon first. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil. Using medium heat, I'm going to pan fry the salmon with the skin side down first. This piece of salmon is approximately 150 grams. We want the salmon skin to be a little bit crispy, so we are pan frying it skin side down first. This will take a few minutes, around 3 minutes or so. Try not to move it around too often because we want the skin to be intact. Now I'm going to flip it to the other side. Now I'll add in 60 milliliters of mirin, 30 milliliters of light soy sauce, as well as 1 big tablespoon of brown sugar. Try not to wet the skin because we want the skin to remain crispy. Sometimes when you fry fish, you might find that the skin breaks easily. Why is that so? There's a few reasons to it. One is your pan is not hot enough, or rather your oil is not hot enough, or before even the skin is dry, you attempt to turn it around, then it will break. I'm still maintaining the heat at medium. Now basically the salmon is cooked already, so if you want you can take it out, or if not you want to cook it in this beautiful sauce, you can still do so. What I want to achieve now is to actually make the sauce thicker into something like a syrup. It's almost there. To test whether this is done, take a spoon. If it coats like this, that means it's done. So now we'll turn off the flame and prepare to serve our dish. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow. A little bit of the fish plus rice and the sauce. Just the right amount of sweetness and savory inside here. Fantastic with rice. And the skin is so crispy. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our dish. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.